I just put the bracket up here and I traced it, and now we're going to cut this out. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the VCE single wall brush plates and low voltage boxes. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see how the product comes packaged right here in a very simple retail box. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see our brush plates on this side, followed by our low voltage boxes on this side. So we have a Decora plate, we have our brush, then we have our screw kit. Then you can see we have our low voltage boxes. So basically, in a nutshell, you're going to go ahead, you're going to trace this out, cut it out in your drywall with a jab saw. It'll fit right in. You use a Phillips head screwdriver that's going to tighten everything in place. Then you're going to come along, you're going to take this piece, just like you see right here, line everything up, and you're going to drop your two included screws in, the longer ones, tighten everything down. Then you're going to come by, and when you're all done, you're going to put your faceplate on and use the two remaining white screws, and there you go. That's what it's going to look like in your wall. And then we can use this brush and bristles to pass through all of the cables that we want. Now let's go ahead, let's get it installed. So here's where we're going to cut out our drywall. You can see I already have a rough stencil there for our jab saw. I just put the bracket up here and I traced it, and now we're going to cut this out. Now you can see what it looks like with the hole cut out and the bracket installed. Now we just need to go ahead, we need to tighten these up with a Phillips head screwdriver to keep it in place. Now you can see we got the brush plate installed right here. So the last thing we have to do is install the faceplate. Here we go, everything's successfully been installed and it works great and it looks really nice. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.